Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be diving deep into a topic that hits close to home for many of us. Understanding why our kids resist studying and how we can make learning a delightful journey. Whether you are dealing with nagging or manipulation, negative reinforcements, and even anger issues, we can together find practical solutions and help the kids embrace the joy of learning. Let's start with the first reason, that is lack of interest. Kids are naturally curious, but sometimes certain subjects or topics just don't spark their enthusiasm. As moms, we can turn this around by making learning fun and relatable. Think of creative ways to make subjects exciting. For instance, if a child is learning math, use everyday situations like shopping to teach them about money and calculation. Turn spelling practice into a friendly family game, and you will see them engage without even realizing it. Reason number two, overwhelm and pressure. So, as kids grow, so their responsibilities also grow. Schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and family expectations can feel like a lot for them to handle. Remember that it's crucial to set achievable goals, break tasks into smaller steps, and celebrate each accomplishment along the way. By doing this, you're teaching them to manage their workload effectively and reduce unnecessary stress around them. Next is reason number three, that is distractions. With smartphones, tablets, and games readily available, it is no wonder our kids find it hard to focus on their studies. Designate a quiet, clutter free study area that's free from distractions. Encourage your child to keep their device away during study time. And hey, lead by example. Maybe it's time for you, moms, to put your phones down too. Reason number four, learning styles may differ. Every child learns differently. Some are visual learners, while others are more hands on. It's important to understand their learning styles and adapt our approach accordingly. Get creative. If a child is a visual learner, use colorful diagrams and charts. If they are kinesthetic, that is physical, incorporate movement into their study routine. Let them explore various ways of learning until they find what clicks. Remember, there is another fear of failure, which is reason number five. This one is a biggie. Kids might resist studying if they are afraid of not meeting the expectation. So let's normalize making mistakes. Share stories of your own failures and how you learn from them. This encourages your child to see mistakes as stepping stones to success rather than roadblocks. And reason number six, one of the most significant reasons kids of all ages resist studying is not fully grasping the why. If they don't see the purpose or the meaning behind the studies, it's tough to muster enthusiasm. Help your kids discover their why. Share stories of real life heroes like scientists who made life changing discoveries or artists who have created masterpieces. Highlight how education can lead to incredible achievements and the ability to make positive impact on the world. Make your kids understand that education is a gateway to their dreams. When they realize how learning aligns with their personal aspirations, they will be motivated from within. For instance, if they love animals, show them how study can science can lead to a career in veterinary medicine where they can help their furry friends. by making learning enjoyable, reducing pressure, minimizing distractions, accommodating their learning styles, and embracing failures, we are paving the way for our children not only to excel in their studies but also to love learning for life. If you have found these tips helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then push the subscribe button. And you always share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Let's support each other on this amazing parenting journey. Until next time, take care and happy learning.